Well, you know how you bring your uppity up, back uppity up? Bubble wrap! Woo! Woo! In the door, and we get bubble wrap, we de-stress, and we put it on the floor after the door, so you just come in and stomp. If you were having a bad day. It was funny. What up, Adriana? Bubble wrap always makes me happy and releases stress. Bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap, do the bubble wrap.
I haven't said anything yet in this video.
Bubble wrap, bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Thanks, Mom, for the bubble wrap. Woo! Bubble wrap.
This is why it's good to live on the first floor.
Bubble wrap.